So I wasn't meant to do an update on this today, but I'm hanging around at the garage waiting for someone, so I thought I'll get some work done. I painted that satin black now. It looked very different. Let's see if the other side is. So you see that one there, satin black, and then the original looks not too bad on this side, but yeah, looks better on the other side. So what I'm doing now is I've tried lots of products on this to clean it, and I've just worked out that if I use the scuff cloth and some basic detergent and I'm light, that it actually comes off, and you end up with that up there once you've polished it. So I'm going to give you a before and after shot of this fork leg. There's your before, and then we'll see it. So there's the difference on that shock. I think that's a huge difference compared to what it was, and on the engine casing. I'm going to do these and all. They look terrible. When you've got an old bike like this that has done 61,000 miles, you've got to go over it bit by bit, you know, almost with a toothbrush, and just get it all polished up slowly and surely. This bike has so many imperfections that you need to get rid of some of them, and you can get rid of some of them by cleaning and using the right cleaning products and a bit of spray. But I'm very pleased with how they've come out. That side's got a bit of that's like plastic bag or paint or something. It's not easily gonna come off, and that's kind of gluey underneath. I'm sure if I kept going at it, it would be alright, but it looks much better at the moment. I'm still considering a Streetfighter conversion. It'd be so easy to do, and it would take away all this, go back to that, put a simple headlight down here and a simple speedo up here, and you'd have a great wheelie bike. Yeah, I'm still considering it. If it doesn't sell tomorrow, that's what I'm going to do. So I should have filmed it, but I completely forgot. I've just changed the old brake lever, that one which is bent, to that nice new shiny one. It needed to be done, although I reckon somebody bent that on purpose to shorten it. I'm so surprised that it got that angle on it. If I saw burnt marks on it, I'd think it was heated and bent. Anyway, new one's on there, nice and shiny. Although, like I said, if I Street Fighter this bike, which might be the way forward, I'll get shorties on both sides, and I don't know if I'd change the handlebars. These are actually okay. I'll probably just get shorties, levers on both sides, and a little speedo up here, and then obviously the front light, and leave the rest as it is. Maybe some mirrors in there. It'd be a great kind of play bike, wheelie bike, mess around bike. This will. The engine's stunning. So yeah, so I've done the paintwork down there, which looks much better. I've cleaned up the front suspension, which looks much better, and I've done the front brake lever there. So just slowly but surely, lots of polishing, lots of cleaning, bits of paint, and this will be a stunning bike. So there's the satin black. Looks much better. There's tape behind it. I'll pull that off after. Definitely looks much better. I wish I had something to sort this carb out. Oh, maybe just a spray with the metal cleaner after. I'd have to protect all the paint around it though. The originals were like this. I think the satin black is much nicer. Not sure what to do down here. It's a bit harder to paint that side, but would be worth doing, so I'll consider that. I'm going to do these for now though. I'll show you the after.